You need to get a fucking lawyer, dude.
What's wrong there?
This isn't locked in. This should be locked in.
Okay.
There should be a locking little pin that slides in. See right here, locked out?
Yep.
It wasn't put all back together correctly.
Okay.
Whoever reassembled this should no longer work on vehicles.
Okay.
This whole thing would have walked off because this thing holds that all
Oh,
together.
and that's what's been going on. The whole
the whole
thing's been
fucking thing's been
wobbling.
walking back and forth, walking back and forth.
Oh shit, man.
So somebody should not be. I'm not trying to be rude. Here's
No.
a snap ring. This snap ring is supposed to help hold this piece in. This was just not assembled correctly.
Gotcha.
The whole thing.
Okay.
So now I'm gonna take it all back apart and see what damage it did.
Okay.
And you can send the bill to somebody.
All right, man. I wonder if I shouldn't check the other side.
I would at least just take that fucking axle stub out.
Yeah, and make
Just like
sure.
I did right there. You don't got to take tires the fuck off.
Okay.
If it's loose, then we
Then
take
the
it
tires
off.
come
Then
off.
we have to take it off to get the proper torque on there.
Okay.
You
Yeah.
can't.
Because if this is on one side, it's maybe on the other.
I guarantee it is.